In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports with the custom report builder in HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account. On the left sidebar, look for the reporting icon. Hover over it, then select Reports. In the top right corner, click Create and choose Create Report. The page will reload. From the options on the left, select Custom Report, then click Next. This opens the custom builder where you'll choose how you want to assemble your data and visualization. You'll see two starting paths. You can create a report on your own, which lets you pick your data sources manually, or you can start with a data set if your team has prepared one. For this walkthrough, choose to create a report on your own. Select your primary data source. If you need to combine related information, toggle. Add more data sources and check the boxes for the sources you want. Only include what you need to keep performance snappy and make sure the sources are related so your joins return meaningful results. When you're ready, click Next. Inside the editor, you'll notice three key areas. On the left, you have your fields, measures, properties, and filters you can use. In the middle, you'll configure the report by dragging items to the X and Y axes, breakdown by, compare by, or the general fields area, depending on the chart type. On the right, you'll see a live preview update as you build. Drag a metric like count of records or revenue to Y, and a property like date, owner, or lifecycle stage to X or breakdown by. If you need to remove something, click the X. To refine a field, click the pencil to edit its name, aggregation, or other options based on the field type. To change how your data is visualized, use the chart picker in the middle panel and switch between bar, line, area, pie, table, or other formats. Choose a visualization that matches your goal. Trends work well with lines, categorical comparisons with bars, and composition with pies or stacked bars. When your report looks right, click Save Report in the top right. A panel slides open where you'll enter a required report name, optionally add tags, and review or edit the description, which might be pre-filled. Decide whether to keep the report off a dashboard, add it to an existing one, or create a new dashboard. Click Next, choose who can access the report based on your team's needs, then click Save, and that's it. You've created a clear, shareable report with the custom report builder in HubSpot.